and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
No stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000, now my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you, Ywigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is, the length of this wig is 14 inches. It's 180% density. The hair color that they have right here where they sent me the information says as image, and the lace color is brown, which I'm a little surprised about. I didn't feel like this lace color was brown, but honey, that's what they got on here, and I can only go by what they say, okay? So it says Adela Body Wave Red Highlighted 5x5 lace closure bob wig. So that's what they have as the name and all of that on their site with this unit. This unit is available in 10 inches, 12 inches, 14, and 16 inches. It is available in 150% density, 180, and 200% density. So you get to choose those options. And the cap size is average. Now, I don't see anything else as far as the cap size. I do want to go ahead and say, in my opinion, this unit is a big head friendly, but I only have to have this on my shoulder, so do with that what you want to do with that, girl. The hair color, it literally says as image, and the hair color on this site literally looks like this particular color, where it has like the reddish highlights in it, the burgundy sort of highlights in the unit. So it literally looks like that. And it says 100% virgin hair, medium cap size, lace color is brown, and it can be colored up to number 27. So if you do decide to color this unit, it can go up to a number 27. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, I do want to go ahead and throw out there that this unit did come to me sort of curled and styled, and I always did love that about Ywigs. Their units usually, every unit I have gotten from them, it came styled and looked like the way that it looked on the site. So I have to always give them their props with that. I don't know what stylist they got, girl, but they be coming through with come through, okay? But I did decide to bleach the knots, because like I've been telling you guys, I am on this bleaching kick. So because I did that, I had to recurl the unit, and I did that off camera. But I did my same pin curl method that I always do in a lot of videos. And if you want to see like something with more details with how I do that, I'll insert a card up here, or you can check down below in the description box. But yeah, I just did that, and then afterwards I wrapped it, because honey, we on a wrapping kick these days, okay? Shout out to Taste Pink because that's where I kind of got that from, wrapping your wigs. And girl, it just does something to it, okay? It gives you that old school body yada yada feel with a wig. Like, you can't beat that with a stick. But yeah, so as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I honestly did not receive any, no shed, no tangling, no nothing with this unit. And I did not feel like the wig, the knots came pre-bleached, but it definitely came pre-tweezed, okay? I did not tweeze this wig at all, and this is what the hairline looks like. Y'all, excuse my residue right there on the side. Excuse that. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the side. And I did not tweeze that whatsoever. She just woke up like that, okay? She literally woke up with tweeze like this. So I didn't touch that whatsoever because I didn't feel the need to, but I did bleach it. And yeah, it is a 5x5, so it's literally from here to here. And you have to be mindful with these on the side, because you guys know, I told you before in a video, and like, especially if you get makeup on it like me over here, you just be mindful and be careful when cutting those little parts off. But you can literally part it in the middle, the right, or wherever, or even wear it half up, half down if that's the style that you're going for with this wig. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I do want to kind of say that it is a body wave wig, and although it does come pre-curled, once it is dried, it's just a regular body wave, okay? It's not gonna be super curly like this, or super curly like you get it. It's gonna be a regular body wave. Just gonna have a little, you know, like light wave in it, enough to give you some body, girl, okay? But I do want to throw that out there as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you guys know I like to start with the cons, because your girl likes to end on a high note, okay? So my only con with this wig is just this little area right here. And I think it's a me problem. Sometimes I cut these things really good and sometimes I don't. But that would be my only con, and that's just me being picky, okay? That is literally just me being picky, because it's not a big deal. I don't really mind it, but I know a lot of people do, so I like to throw that out there. So if there was a con with this wig, that would be the only one. My pros with this unit is the fact that it comes pre-curled. The color is absolutely gorgeous. If you're somebody that loves a good burgundy highlight, but it has dark roots, so you still get that little safeness with people that are afraid of color, it has that. The fact that it comes pre-tweezed and basically pre-styled, and it's just like minimum effort. Like, to me, this unit is definitely beginner friendly, because I feel like even if I had not bleached the knots and I just applied my foundation to it, it would still be a complete look. So those are my pros with this unit. would I recommend this unit? Yes. I would definitely recommend this unit because when it comes to white wigs, like I said, their units come pre-styled. And I just feel like you can't beat that because the only other place that you get something like that from is a synthetic wig. So if you want a human wig that come pre-styled, then this is your girl, okay? This is your chick. This company is your girl. I don't know what stylist they got, but they stylists be coming through, okay? So yes, I would recommend this unit. And on top of that, even if you do decide to wet it and bleach the hair and all, not bleach the hair, bleach the knots and style it, you're gonna get a nice look. Like this looks like I went to the salon, got me a nice wrap after a perm or something, girl. Okay, you guys remember that day, so don't come for me. I mean them days, so don't come for me. But this is what it is giving me, and I love everything about it, girl. Okay, I love everything about. Look at this body. Look at this body, girl. Okay, so yeah, I am feeling it. I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, girl, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling the style as much as I am feeling the style. Like, let me know down below because I am interested in you guys' thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Ywigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I appreciate you, sis. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.